On these episodes, we're branching out,
Wha Gwann, everybody. Welcome to Amsterdam.
exploring new places,
Stand like London.
new foods, and meeting new people. 2 countries, 3 cities, learning the food, the culture, and the people.
Please welcome Jonathan Manchester United.
In this episode, I'm meeting up with Ziggy, a friend of mine with Surinamese heritage who's grown up in Amsterdam. But first, let me show you how we got here.
London, 9-hour flight. Airport food at its finest. 2 slices of pizza with this garlic bread.
It's typical overpriced airport food that's probably a couple days old, but I figured flour was the best thing to eat when going on a long flight. There's the overpriced food, and then there's the overpriced drinks. What better to knock you out for a long flight? Steve Harvey once said you should fly first class, because when you fly first class, you never want to go back. I wasn't in first class, but seeing business class, truer words have never been spoken. They served us the worst pasta I ever had in my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London.
Even though it's hard, it's not impossible. Tell them there's no limit, I'm unstoppable. Stop myself and guilt, then it's possible. Nobody else will play the fool. Maybe I was born just to break the
So
rules.
my first point of reference is never fly EasyJet. Just came to the customer service. It was absolutely horrible. The people got rude. You know, so Jamaican come out. The moment we got loud, and the customer service was just horrible. They just charged me for extra flight to change a flight without communicating that them charging me to change the flight. So I mean, I will never fly EasyJet again. I will never recommend anybody to fly EasyJet. The prices might be cheap, but it's not worth it. You're going to pay more in the long run for everything. Half of the line right here next to me is friggin' pissed off. And the supervisor was horrible. He was extremely rude and dismissive. Poor customer service, poor communication, unacceptable behavior, very disrespectful. And actually I had to tell him I fly all the way from Jamaica to come get this. I don't deserve this. I'm lucky. I'm never telling about it.
This was a 50-minute flight to the capital of the Netherlands, Amsterdam, known for its lush history, museums, architecture, waterways, and bustling nightlife.
Wha Gwann, everybody. Welcome to Amsterdam. Linking up with my brethren Ziggy. And Ziggy come Jamaica, come link with all the time. So we're coming to Amsterdam to check him. We're going to check out some food, check out some spots, and a whole heap of treats and stuff. This is Food Boss in Amsterdam. Come make a journey.
Okay, this is the next coffee shop.
All of this is coffee shops.
No, this one. Okay.
That's a coffee shop.
This one usually it's a coffee shop, but they are in decoration.
Coffee shops are where legal marijuana or ganja is sold. No prescription needed.
Bubble gum, gummies, newbies, medium. You can start from newbies. Newbie.
Yeah, man. Medium.
Strong, super strong.
Extra strong.
Jamaica is lacking. Say the least. What's the most popular food here?
Most popular food. Oof.
Like
I think maybe still Italian, but
Italian? So what about Amsterdam food? What kind of food?
What is the food?
The Dutch food.
They use a lot of potatoes. Maybe fries.
What should I try?
What you should try? I think you should try Suriname food.
Suriname food. No, yeah.
Even though you're not in Suriname, but you're close to,
Yeah.
So this is basically the
That
view.
is to the red light district.
Yeah. I just want to give you a quick view. You have a couple of old buildings there. The Piet Hein, that is the how you call it? The Dutch trading building. I think the one you mean.
Dutch Trading Company.
Yeah, the Dutch trading company. Yeah.
Okay, they all slave driver them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You see the ship, man.
So this whole thing is channel. Eh? So you see all this. Normally, see the roads basically was channel. So all these they used to dock there on the sides. You see how it is like a door,
Yeah.
but by the water.
Right.
Yeah, so they dock into the building just like so.
And just let out at the building.
Yes. So this
Man.
all built on water.
Yeah.
Basically, they take from the sea. This all not here. This is all captured. Yeah, you know about it.
Yeah, man. Capture land.
The name Netherlands literally means lower lands, with 26% of the country below sea level. The preferred means of transportation? Bicycle. The bicycle seems to be a national symbol. Over 10,000 bicycles are taken out of the canal each year. This is Fable, one of the original ways of getting food in Amsterdam.
So now the system changed. They pay you with the card, but originally you would throw the coins in.
Yeah.
And basically you would get the food out of the wall. You know.
And that's a favor.
That's Fable, but Fable stands for Ferdinand Bol. Ferdinand Bol was the first location where they put the first Fable. So that is basically. I think you have Fable only in Amsterdam. Also.
The original things of Amsterdam where it's basically food in the
wall, basically.
Yeah. And you go in, you throw coins in, and you just take the food that you want.
Yeah, you draw out the food that you want. If it's a burger or
And I hear they can't have it in there for more than an hour, so it's always changed. It's not still food that you get to eat.
and basically they sell so fast that they sell within the hour. So.
Yeah. What we trying?
Fables.
Fable, but what's the name of the thing that we?
Cassoufflé.
Cassoufflé. And that's the cheese, like
Like a cheese.
croquette, like a bitter ball.
Yeah, like
Similar.
Like a bitter ball with the cheese filling.
Cheese filling.
Like say not really a bitter ball, but
a deep fried cheese,
yeah.
like almost similar to mozzarella sticks. Kind of.
yeah. It's a big thing, like saying
Make us so go on. Come in.
fast food.
Yeah, make us so go on.
I'm beginning to realize that the Dutch really have an appetite for fried food and burgers.
So you put the coin in.
Right, big which one?
Which one? Oh, which one? Alright, there we go. It pops up. Oh, what's that?
There's a big one though.
What's in there?
Well, it's just meat, but actually, you don't want to think sometimes when you eat the fast food what's in there, you know?
I like pulley beef or corned beef.
So yeah.
And the name what?
Frikandel.
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 Frikandel. I wouldn't want to think what's in there either with that name.
Basically,
Like a sausage.
different kind of meat, I think, pressed together.
What kind of crust? Is it like a fried crust or is
We have fried from the oil.
this remains with spicy chicken and beef which has been solely cooked into a bouillon? Hot soup. What's that?
Croquette.
Oh, croquette. What's in there? Meat.
It's like the same thing in the
And the bitter ball.
yeah, but like
This is croquette.
croquette.
And this is
Cassoufflé.
cassoufflé. Oh wow. This cheese is crunchy. There's nicer cheese on a mozzarella. Cheese have way more flavor.
I was like, sorry, not very tame when you first got there.
That's pretty good. This cheese thing, what's it called? Cassoufflé?
Cassoufflé, yeah.
At the first Dutch thing must say right.
Yeah.
Cassoufflé.
Cassoufflé.
Fable. Basically a restaurant that's a giant vending machine. But the food was good.
A lot of the places here right now with like burger bars, like the concept, you know. So the walk also. So you have one walk here, one walk there.
McDonald's over there, Americanized one. McDonald's, Subway.
Sushi is also everywhere, like
Yeah.
a couple of sushi places. This one like was actually saying burger bar.
Walking down the street, nothing Dutch truly stood out. There are a variety of restaurants, American, Chinese, Japanese, but nothing truly Dutch. The good thing is, leaving a coffee shop, the variety. Cause when the munchies hit, there's always something on the corner. Take this for example, a classical Middle Eastern food, falafels. Made from ground chickpeas or broad beans or both. It's deep fried for a quick bite on the go. Perfect munchy food.
This is the flower market, also kind of famous place.
That's the flowers and stuff.
Yes, all like seeds,
Yeah.
like tulps and all these Dutch flowers that they're selling. They sell like the seeds, the tulp, and you have a different ones here. This one.
But Amstel is from Belgium.
No.
Amstel is from here.
Heineken, same company.
So I have to drink a Heineken.
We're talking about Ajax.
Yeah man, hold on. No. We stay right here, so. We stay right. Yeah man, see the match I go on right. So.
A few beers later, the night's film was a wrap. It was time for day 2.
Me I try to go for a big jacket and this someone I tell me I don't need a big jacket. He call you fat. Breeze. Yeah, of course it's cold. You know cold?
It's not summer anymore.
This not feel like Jamaica.
No, but this is not summer anymore, eh? We're going to the winter. It's almost October.
You're going? This is not winter.
This is, how do you say it? Yeah.
Or fall.
Yeah.
One of the best ways to see the city of Amsterdam is by boat. So we're heading on a boat cruise now, a 1-hour boat cruise, and just to see the beautiful architecture, learn about more of the history, and then it's time for food. This is quite possibly one of the only names that I can pronounce and may pronounce right, and it's probably still going to be wrong here in Amsterdam. Run the Vaart boat cruises. Bloodfire. Step.
My name is Bas, BAS. I'm your captain on this beautiful ship. We have an audio system, we can do 3 languages. U spreekt iemand Nederlands, Nederlands en Noord?
To the Herengracht, or Gentleman's Canal. This canal was dug in the 17th century. The canal houses here are the largest and most beautiful in Amsterdam.
Space is a premium in Amsterdam. People live in boat houses. Some fetch prices of up to 1.5 million euros, like this one.
1.5 million euros.
After the cruise, it was time for some food. I was looking for the Dutch equivalent to ackee and saltfish, but was recommended a Dutch burger. This company has been around since 1890. Ziggy was not with me, so I can't pronounce the name. I asked to recommend the most Dutch burger that I could get, so I ended up with the Royal Dutch Burger. Served medium with Dutch dry aged ribeye beef and Japanese Wagyu with lettuce, tomato, onion, sweet and sour cucumber, and Old Amsterdam custard, along with a World Food Championship badge next to its name on the menu. This is bitterballen, a Dutch meat-based snack. It's made by making a very thick stew, thickened with roux and beef stock, loaded with meat, then refrigerated until it firms. It then gets breaded and fried. This was served with a homemade grape mustard, and the bitterballen is usually seasoned with onions, salt, pepper, parsley, and nutmeg. The inside consistency was very soft, more raw than meat, so not a lot to chew. But back to the burger. The meat was phenomenal, but I would have loved more seasoning, more salt, and a little pepper. In the square there was massive excitement with the police trying to control fans from Turkey as the home team Ajax were playing a Europa League match against a Turkish football club.
Somebody going to jail.
Just start walking, man. See the horses.
This a football fan.
After the excitement, I think the Turkish team lost 4-0.
Honestly, the amount of pizza and burger places that are in this place is crazy. But guess what? We found a Jamaican spot. So we're heading right now. We're going to check out the Reggae-Ritas. Can't come so far to Amsterdam and not try or see a Jamaican spot and try. I see them have oxtail, them have fried chicken, them have €20 brown stew chicken. That can't work. It is Reggae-Ritas on the map, but it's not Reggae-Ritas on the door. They do poetry, they have a cocktail bar, but at night it turns into this Jamaican restaurant where they have jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat, patty. They have a whole heap of things. If you're vegan, they have jerk jackfruit. They have jerk wraps, they have wings. So we're going in now, we're going to check out some of the food. Unfortunately, they do not have jerk chicken. They don't have curry goat and they don't have oxtail. I was going hoping for the oxtail, but we're going to check out the jerk chicken and see exactly what type of Jamaican food they have in Amsterdam. This is Reggae-Ritas. No oxtail, no curry goat, no what? Jerk chicken wrap. No oxtail, no curry goat. Right now I feel like a scam, I get scammed. I don't even see a Jamaican or hear a Jamaican voice. Maybe around in the kitchen. I guess it's jerk chicken. But is it really jerk chicken if it's not jerked in Jamaica? That is the question. Find out the answer soon. There really is two different sides of this. She said done. It's not that they don't have any, it's finished. So it's quite possible that this place is so amazingly good that we came too late and there's no curry goat and there's no oxtail because it just went through the door. I'm hoping that that's it. I'm confident. Anyway, Jamaican food in Amsterdam. You have red stripe?
Not a Jamaican place, so we temporarily Reggae-Ritas fried in food.
Okay.
But the place is more broader oriented.
Got you, no problem. Is it real coconut? I know coconut water out of the jelly. A coconut water out of a box. So not real coconut water. No sir, we don't want to feel it. I want my jelly out of jelly. Go back to Jamaica and drink coconut water. This is Barbie fried chicken. Very nice, Thank you very much.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah, man, thank you. That looks good. Thank you. Yeah. Seasoning like, but I don't mind. Crunch is really good. The rice and peas on point.
Rice and peas on point, bro.
Brown stew on point.
Mustard mix on point. Definitely recommend it.
Get a yard man recommendation for the stew chicken. That's my first taste of Jamaican food in Amsterdam. Jerk chicken. It's good and it's spicy. Ooh. It's smoky, it's spicy. It have the flavor. Now I wonder if it's a pan them have around a back of jerk this. Yeah, Rita, you go with a bag of things. Yeah, man. That shot. Not like it's shot. Wow. Colin, big up yourself. The recommendation on point. That's pretty damn good jerk chicken. It's not jerk chicken where they're bringing up the jerk season. It actually tastes like a house jerk season. Like she made her own jerk season. Ask me how she get the ingredients, the pimentos, scotch bonnet pepper. But you're getting meat, you're getting flavor, and it's really quite well. I've had a lot of jerk chicken in Jamaica that's not as good as this. It's on point. The rice and peas. A shot too. Rita. Wow. We are everywhere and we're doing things everywhere and anywhere. This is real authentic flavors, real authentic taste, real authentic smell. The rice and peas, the jerk chicken, the brown stew chicken. I don't know how the patty.
It was good, but it's different style. Like say, come like a luxury.
It's a more high-end patty.
Yeah.
No,
Like
not wrong.
Patty 2.0, you know what I would say?
But you're not bad like Josie B.
Different again, not so juicy like this.
You're not bad like Josie B. Touching up the bone. And the seasoning is in the bone. Under there. And the spice. You chew a little, you get the flavor, you get the smoke, and then that spice just comes after and give you that kick, that nice hum, a nice melody, that nice rhythm, that Jamaican flavor. In Amsterdam. For rice and peas right now. Mix it up with the jerk chicken. Yeah, man. I thought this was ketchup. This is like what you get when you got roadside pan chicken. Little ketchup, little pepper. I eat that. And it's a kick. Mix that spice ketchup with a piece of that jerk chicken and that rice and peas. Wow. come to Amsterdam and get a taste of home. The flavor of Jamaica. Really my vibe. And jerk chicken. The jerk chicken taste, so sorry I can't get to try the curry goat or the oxtail because trust me. You know, tell me saying that Red Hills Road, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, Hip Strip, where jerk man them hang out. You get your jerk chicken after a night. This is it. Stuff you can't talk. When dive in and can't even reach up for breath.
I hated it, yeah.
I hated it.
Yeah, this one's so good, huh? Food proper, man. Food proper.
Food proper. Well proper. I am shocked at the Jamaican flavor that is in Amsterdam. I am friggin', the man is blown. I expect some walkers with some eating, some grace. You know, I'll start run. Spicy. So, we just left Regarita, but it's not Regarita, it's Labyrinth.
Yeah.
Labyrinth? That's probably the first thing I say right in Dutch. Apart from Mahek Betali. Excellent. The food was awesome. Just Google it and it will take you there. Jerk chicken, highly recommended. Brown stew chicken, highly recommended. But at the most expensive jerk chicken I've ever had in my life. €20 for a jerk chicken right now. My pocket are bleeding. Yard, I'm coming home. One bike now say so. They said this is the original banana bike.
Yeah, actually not.
When we come from male bike up straight on the bar.
Straight.
Female bike.
You go tell it straight. You have better one like this. This one close to the original one.
Close but not it.
Yeah. See,
So, we're at Amsterdam and find a place called Jamaica Lounge. So we have on the menu. Let's have some chicken wings and Mannish Wata.
it was maybe 56.
So you live in Amsterdam for 30 years?
Yeah, man, for sure.
So you have a first coffee shop as a yard man?
As a yard man.
Authentic, yeah.
And then you have this
And the coffee shop name was Coffee Shop Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Man.
Coffee shop name. In the heart, the city center, Rembrandt.
Yeah, is that Rembrandt?
Yeah, over Rembrandt. Yeah, man.
Straight up.
At least 30 years,
Hey.
about maybe 15, 16.
They can't hold me with everywhere. No?
I mean, put Jamaica and get in this book, that's man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Man, I'll have white rum and take over a rum bar there, you know, man.
man. That's how the rum punch are retired.
Rum punch. Yeah, man, I'll come party. Can get a rum party. Man. So when you start this?
It's 2012, 11.
Yeah.
It's about 14 years now. But
Yeah.
Good vibes, man. Good vibes.
It's on my third spot, you know.
Yeah. In a 30 year.
Yeah, man, in a 30 year, man.
So Jamaica Lounge at the third spot.
Yeah, the third spot, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Our first one in name Coffee Jamaica.
Yeah, coffee shop Jamaica, yeah, man.
Mad. A Magnum, a hot Dragon.
Yeah, man.
So you want a true Jamaican experience, you have to come at Jamaica Lounge. Yard man there for how long have a first Jamaican coffee shop. Man, I'll have white rum. Mannish Wata in Amsterdam. New style of cup still. Now watch it. See through. But y'all ring. Sorry. It's Mannish Wata in Amsterdam. All dumpling in there. With the Jamaica Lounge. Jimbo just hook you up with some Mannish Wata from the kitchen. Bomba, no man. Yo, it bad. spicy, nice, it have the flavor. How you get the goat flavor? I don't goat. You don't have goat to Amsterdam? You have goat to Amsterdam?
Yeah, man.
Sorry. Through one of the restaurants, I see them have curry, no lamb.
Lamb, yeah, we have more like lamb, but I think a lamb and goat are the same, isn't it?
Lamb and goat are the same.
No?
No. Lamb and sheep. Goat are goat. And we like the short ears goat, not the long ears one in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Jamaican goat, which is a local goat. Yeah, man.
Jimbo, we get goat in, we get goat here. We get goat here.
Goat, yeah man, American, yeah man.
Yeah, man, a goat. This a goat.
The people we can get goat from, you know.
This an a lamb. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What? Yard man, how the Mannish Wata?
Yeah, man, Mannish Wata, proper man, is yes, a yard. Yard away from yard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Amster yard.
Amster yard.
Bombard. I could name that very good thing, you know, we have to hold that.
That's right.
Man, all the bone in there. The yam there. All the yam in the Mannish Wata, Amsterdam. Scotch bonnet pepper, you get okra.
Yeah man, we can get okra, we can get saltfish. We can get yam
saltfish
too,
support.
yeah,
Yam, yellow yam.
No yellow yam,
Oh.
the white yam them, you know.
You get renter.
No, we get
That's why.
You like big some of that, yeah man, for real. Yeah man, you can't buy one of the basic thing we use, because Suriname, them use the same thing like that, but then we make it different, but you can't get the same thing, you know.
Yeah man.
And you can't set it up. You know.
What?
True.
I mean, I wonder how you get the goat flavor in this, but a real goat.
Yeah man, cause the Moroccan people them.
Yeah.
Them are the only people who are really, yeah man, them have goat, lamb man, you know, oxtail, everything you can get from the Moroccan, them man, yeah man.
So you have everything where you want on the menu, anything.
I don't see how to set up a thing, you know, because oxtail that's a soup, them take make it.
Yeah, I know about that.
Yeah man.
Yeah. But we have to stew it.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah, we do our Jamaican style, and yeah man, we can't get a thing there man. Yeah man.
Wicked.
Oh, yellow yam, we can't get over here, so star.
Can't get no dry yellow yam.
Can't get no yellow yam, yeah man. So yeah. But otherwise they can, you know.
Everything else.
Yeah man, they can.
As they say, Scotch bonnet. What you call the Scotch bonnet?
Madame Jeanette.
Madame Jeanette.
Madame Jeanette.
Yeah, the hottest lady.
A Scotch bonnet man, a Scotch bonnet.
Suriname.
Yeah man. See a Scotch bonnet. We call it different, yeah man.
How dumpling in now?
Yeah.
How dumpling.
Yeah man, cooler man. Authentic.
Hold on there, pimento that down there?
Yeah. Piment, no, piment.
Black pepper.
May have it, but chicken may use that pan already.
You put the pimento upon the jerk chicken and you just said I give them a real style.
Yeah man, we crush that and marinate it for you, yeah man. Crush it out.
Right now is a pan, me think say that put out at
but I just put
city.
it on
The city now, yeah. Fine. Yeah man.
I have it in the back, man.
Yeah, one pan around the back.
Yeah man, yeah. We have a garden around there, you know.
Mad.
Yeah man, we have a garden around there, man. When the sun not shine, man, yeah man. Jerk chicken around that.
Everything up.
Yeah man, up man, yeah man.
But
Yeah, man.
the soap mad.
Yeah, man.
Place mad.
Yeah man, cooler man, authentic Jamaican thing.
Yeah man.
Yaga yow.
Yard man in Amsterdam.
Yaga yow.
Yeah man.
Yaga yow.
Them around the place.
Yeah, man. You don't know. Yo.
30 year. And now Mr. Gear.
Yeah man. And still stand up strong. You know?
Yeah, man.
Only for push over, but you know. Yeah man.
So this is the red light district. And we can't film down there.
Huh?
Can't film it.
No, yeah, you can maybe put it like how you put it in your pocket like this. That's how you did.
Yeah, but the rain. No, can't do it, the rain. Huge thanks to Ziggy. Thank you to Jimbo. Thank you to everybody that was a part of this video. Rita's was amazing. The food was amazing. The Jamaican energy, Jamaican vibe in Amsterdam. Big up everybody. One love. Check out Food Boss TV on YouTube for the entire tour. You'll see more of the riverboat ride, more of the streets. Everything that wasn't shown in this video. This was basically food oriented. You'll see everything over on that channel. So big up to everybody. One love. See you in London for the next episode.